Hi everyone, as you already know, we are going to be making air fried squash today. I need to explain a few things. I actually filmed this video last night and I'm going to redo most of it because I had my husband videotape and I wasn't happy with all the angles and things. So the reason why I'm explaining this is you're probably going to notice a few things that are a little different, probably just the beginning part because I'm wearing different clothes. So I just wanted to explain that. Also, I plan on making hopefully several videos today and you're going to be seeing me wearing the same clothes probably for my next 2 or 3 videos. With that, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to be making a small batch of fried squash today, so you may want to double what I'm doing here. I have 1 beaten egg, half a cup of flour, and I'm going to add a half a cup of cornmeal. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, and then a little bit of cayenne pepper. You can leave this out, of course. Just mix that all up. Okay, now we need to go ahead and slice our squash up and get rid of this end. I probably have these about 1/4 of an inch thick. My squash is running away from me. Also, I apologize for the noise in the background if you can hear that. My husband has the snowblower running. So now we're going to go ahead and dump our squash into the egg. Get off the excess and then into the flour mixture. Bread that real good. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up and I'll be right back. I got these all breaded. Now I'm going to spray these with some olive oil. I'm going to spray enough on here where I do not see any dry flour mixture. Just going to go ahead and put these in here real quick. We want the spray side up. Oh, this little guy fit. Perfect. Okay, let's go move on over to the air fryer. I'm going to start out on 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we'll take a peek and see if they are ready to turn over. 400, 10 minutes. Okay, our 10 minutes is up. These are starting to get a golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and let these go for 5 more minutes, and then we are going to take them out and flip them. Five minutes is up. These are ready to flip. I'm going to just go ahead and use my hands to flip them. It's easier. You may not want to do this. Just be careful if you do. The bottom side is a little golden brown, so I'm not going to let these go for too much longer. But I am going to spray these again on this side with some olive oil because there is some dry flour on here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick over the sink. These already have a good color going on, so I'm just going to let them go for 3 more minutes and they should be done. So another 400 for 3 minutes. Okay, our 3 minutes is up. And these are ready. I'm going to plate these up real quick. Okay, I have these plated up and I'm just going to salt these. You can season them however you like. And I'm sorry that my camera does not pick up the true color. Okay everyone, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you all for watching and I will see you soon. Okay, now I'm going to try one of these because this is my first attempt. I have to redo that one. very good. Cameraman, do you want a bite?
Sure.
Stop. Sure. I'm gonna pee. Cameraman, do you want to try it?
Sure. That's pretty good.